Can continue, children. Find a particular solution cos dy by dx is equal to a, where a is a real number. Then condition given as y equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So here we have to find particular solution. Cos dy by dx is equal to a, where a is a constant, a is a real number. So cos dy by dx is equal to a. So what is dy by dx? I can write cos inverse a. Is it right? Dy by dx is equal to cos inverse a. Apply cos inverse on both sides, so you will get this. Now take dx to the right hand side, cos inverse a. Anyway, this cos inverse a is a constant into dx. So one side dy, the other side dx. Now we can integrate. So what is the integral of dy? It is y. Cos inverse a is a constant, taking out cos inverse a into integral dx. Integral dx is x, then after that plus. Okay. So y is equal to x into cos inverse a plus c. This is the general solution. Okay. Now we have to find particular solution. For that, giving y equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 1 and x is 0, so 0 into cos inverse a is 0 plus c. That means c is 1. So what is the particular solution? Therefore, particular solution is y is equal to x into cos inverse a plus 1. Okay. Or we can write take y to the left hand side. So y minus 1 is x into cos inverse a. Okay. Or y minus 1 by x is cos inverse a. Okay. Or apply both side cos function. So cos of y minus 1 by x, that is equal to a. Okay. It's the answer given in the textbook. Okay. The next one. At any point xy of a curve, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point minus 4 minus 3. Find the equation of the curve given that it passes through minus 2, 1. So we have to find the equation of the curve. Look this figure. This is the curve. Its equation we have to find, and this is the tangent. The point of contact at any point xy of a curve, the slope of the tangent. So this is the point of contact x comma y. Okay. The point x comma y, that is on the curve, through that point there is a tangent. And what is given? The slope of the tangent to the curve, that is same as derivative of the curve. That is dy by dx. Notation is slope of the tangent to the curve. Here the point is x comma y. So slope of the tangent to the curve at the point of contact is x comma y is dy by dx at point x comma y. Okay. And that is equal to what? That is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point. So there is another line. This is the line through the point of contact and some other point, that is given as minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is a point on the line. We don't know wherever is that point. Let here minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. So, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line. Okay. So, what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line, that line is passing through, the slope of the line passing through which all points? Passing through, one is the point of contact, that is x comma y. The other point is -4 -3. Is, what is the slope of a line passing through 2 points? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, y minus -3 by x minus -4, or you can write -3 minus y by -4 minus x. So, that is equal to y plus 3 by x plus 4. So, what is given in the question? This is twice of this. Okay. Slope of the tangent is, that is dy by dx. The point we can't give since the equation of curve is not given, that we have to find. Okay. So, just write dy by dx, that is equal to 2 times y plus 3 by x plus 4, or dy by y plus 3. Is it correct? We have to find the equation. For that we have to integrate. So, we have to separate x and y. So, y to the left hand side and x to the right hand side, dx to the right hand side. So, 2 into dx by x plus 4. Now, we can integrate. So, what is the integral of left hand side? Y plus 3. If the power is 1, directly you can write log y plus 3. Actually, it is by substitution, but do not do all that step. Directly you can write. But if the power is more than 1, you can't do. Okay. So, here the left side integral is log mod y plus 3 and right hand side is 2 is a constant. Taking out 2 into integral 1 by x plus 4 is log mod x plus 4, then constant of integration c. Then, so this is the general solution. Now, one condition is given. Find the equation of the curve given that it passes through -2, 1. So, the curve passes through, the point is on the curve. Okay. Let the point be here. Okay, -2, 1. This is not the point of contact. Okay. That is not the point of contact. The curve passes through that point. So, this, whatever we get here, this represents the equation of the curve, isn't it? Dy by dx means the derivative of the equation of the curve. So, when we integrate, we get the equation of the curve. It's the equation of the curve, but it is the general equation. So, for getting particular, you have to give the value. What is the value? It passes through -2, 1. So, put y is equal to 1 and x is -2. Therefore, log, when y is 1, we get 4. Okay. So, no need of modulus symbol. Then 2 log, what is x? -2. So, it is 2 plus c. Or log 4 is, 2 log 2 is same as log 2 square. Log a raised to n is, log a raised to n is n into log a. Okay. So, plus c. That is log 4 is log 4 plus c. So, what is c? Log 4 minus log 4 is 0. So, c is equal to 0. So, what is the equation of the curve? Therefore, equation of the curve is log mod y plus 3 is equal to 2 log mod x plus 4. Okay. Or this 2 we can write here. So, log mod y plus 3 is equal to log mod x plus 4 square. Okay. Then cancel that log. When we cancel, then without modulus symbol you can write, that is y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 whole square. So, this is the equation of the required curve.